I ain't trying to look like a lie to these niggas that I came up with. That's my team. Never would I let a woman come between what we doing right now. This our dream. Wu-Tang Clan niggas want that cream. I'm the Osiris of this shit right now. Go-to guy for the hits right now. Whatever you wanna drink, girl, pick right now. If you can't hold your liquor, better pick right now. Up right here with you. After all the things that I've been through, it's been one of those days you try and forget about. Take a shot and let it out. Let's get right. Now that I'm here, baby, show me a good time. Oh yeah, oh yeah. But show me a good time. Oh yeah, oh yeah. But show me.
Alright, I'm going to have an unboxing video of the spec fitted case for the iPhone 4, and also do a review after that. I'm going to go ahead with the unboxing first. Alright, you can see there, spec fitted case. Spec fitted. And as you see right there, it has 1 year warranty. I'll find out later what that warranty covers. And again, it's for the iPhone 4. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. Here we are. Again, the cutout for the silence switch and volume up and down, it's one whole cutout. Your headphone and your second mic, seat wake button, camera, and USB port. Alright, we'll try it on. Designed in California, made in China. Everything nowadays. Really nice. Back feels really nice. Fabric. Now it has what the difference from the Belkin Shield Micro and the in-case Snap-on is there's a ridge over the iPhone here. So if you place it on your table, so there's going to be more protection there. As you can see, it's raised up. Yeah. All right. So we're going to do the USB and headphone test. As you can see, nothing is being interfered right there. Perfectly cut right for that. No interference at all. Now the headphone. Again, perfectly cut out, no interference. Perfect. And you have it. That is the spec fitted case with the fabric back. They have multiple colors available. And thank you for watching. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe.
Show me a good time. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Enough so.